Here we go, kid. Back on the grind. We are in the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Bowling Green, Kentucky, room 303. Let's take a look. So come on into the restaurant facilities here. And I did ask for a dental kit. So we got some of that. And then the normal toiletries there. But pretty new place. Been here before, I think. We have toilet. Some beautiful artwork. And then shower, normal shower head, a couple shelves. I do like that the, whatever this thing is that turns the water on, the water control, that is over here so I can use that and not get wet. But let's move on out. And we start here. We have a mini fridge and coffee maker, microwave. Let's go on. We have the thermostat here on the wall. We have the nightstand with a couple of plugs right on there. Over on this side, we have the same thing. Here we go. We got Food Network on the television here. A couple of drawers. I know you love those. Then we have a couch, a second TV. You can't tell, but that's HGTV on there right now. But I did pack my lunch or dinner. Sorry. Got a nice little desk, some outlets there, as well as some outlets right there. Then the outside, not exactly that great. We got the Social Security building over there, and then just an open field, water tower, all that cool stuff. So there you have it, Fairfield Inn and Suites, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Till next time.